Hi there, students. Tailgate. To tailgate as a verb. The tailgate of a car. A tailgate party. Okay, I think probably in British English you might use the word a tailboard or just the boot of the car. Let's see, the tailgate is an American word. It's the back door of a car, the one that you open where you put the suitcases in, or the board at the back of a pickup, yeah, and you put down the tailgate, and you can bring it down so that you can put things in it, and that is the tailgate. But we have a verb, to tailgate. This means to drive really close to the car in front of you. It's really annoying when you're driving if somebody is tailgating, somebody who is really close behind you, because if you stop, they are going to crash into the back of you. So tailgating, it's extremely annoying. Yeah, to tailgate, to drive too closely to the car in front of you. And then you could have a tailgate party, which is where you open the boot of the car or you put down the tailgate and you cook food, you have a picnic on the tailgate of the car or of your pickup car. This is something the Americans do very often in the car park before they go to watch a game. Yeah, they have a tailgate party, and then they go into the game. They drink, they could cook, they could have a barbecue, all sorts of things, but on the back of their car. Now, they also use tailgate in another way. You know, when you go through a security control or a security thing where you need to show a card or use a card, or for example when you need to go into the underground or a metro system. If you go really close to the person in front of you, normally in conjunction with them, or touching them, two people can normally go in for only one ticket or for only one person showing their credentials. And this is to tailgate, to follow another person through a checkpoint. Okay, so to tailgate, to get through a security barrier by going really close to the person in front of you, and the system accepts you as one person. Okay, so the tailgate, it's the door at the back of a truck or the car. Normally it's one that's hinged downwards, although it could be sideways as well. If you tailgate somebody, you drive really closely behind the person. So tailgating is a sure way to cause an accident. And then to tailgate, to go through a security check, not one where there are people, but an automatic security check, by going really close to the person in front of you, and both of you go through at the same time. Okay, so to tailgate, yeah, no tailgating. I've seen bumper stickers saying this in the US. Okay, so and then a tailgate party, a party in a parking lot with a picnic and all sorts of food coming out of the back of the truck. Okay, so to tailgate, to follow another person through access control using their credentials rather than yours. Yeah, this is normally a door with some sort of card reader, or you need a ticket or something like that as well. Formality, tailgate. The tailgate of a car, 5 informality, use anywhere. A tailgate party. 5 informality, use anywhere. To tailgate, to drive very close behind. I think maybe 4.5 informality. To follow another person through access control. 4.5 informality as well. And then as to origin, well, it's the tail gate, the gate, the bit that opens the tail, the back of the car. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tailgate.